The Google Pixel Fold launch is almost here and the rumors are already making waves in the tech world. The Google Pixel Fold will be Google's first attempt at a foldable phone, and we can't wait to see if it can compete with the likes of the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 5. Google has confirmed that the Pixel Fold is coming, and from what we've heard so far, it will feature a shorter design that makes it easier to store in a pocket and comfier to hold, strong cameras, a bigger battery, and a Google-made Tensor chip. And it could be a more exciting launch than the iPhone 15. Here's what we know so far about the Pixel Fold. A leaked NBA promo shows the Pixel Fold in action ahead of its expected launch at I/O. The Pixel Fold will be shown off at the Google I/O event on May 10, and will be covering the latest Pixel Fold leaks and whatever Google has to show us during its keynote presentation. The Pixel Fold is expected to have a shorter but wider outside display, offering a look that's not too far away from the Oppo Find N. A leaked image of the Pixel Fold's front shows off its tablet mode, and we can see 6 icons along the bottom dock and 3 widgets on the screen. A purported video of a Pixel Fold prototype shows that it requires a bit of force to open up into tablet mode. As for the Pixel Fold's price, the 256GB model is rumored to cost $1,799, which matches Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 4. But there are leaks that a 512GB Pixel Fold model is on the way, which will cost $1,919. Some sources claim that the Pixel Fold will cost less than the Galaxy Z Fold line, and more specifically around $1,400. But we'll have to wait and see if that's true. Google Pixel Fold display. According to leaks, the Pixel Fold's main display will measure 7.6 inches, the same size as the Galaxy Z Fold 4's. The display will likely be a foldable OLED panel, and there will also be an external display for quick glances at notifications and the time. One thing that could set the Pixel Fold apart from its foldable rivals is the inclusion of Google's own Tensor chip, which is said to offer better AI processing than other chips. That could give the Pixel Fold an edge in areas like camera performance and voice recognition. Google Pixel Fold cameras leaks suggest that the Pixel Fold could come with a triple-lens camera system, including a main sensor, an ultra-wide lens, and a telephoto lens. This setup would be similar to the one found on the Pixel 6 Pro, which has received high praise for its camera performance. We don't know the exact megapixel count of the Pixel Fold's cameras yet, but we can expect Google to continue its tradition of prioritizing computational photography and software enhancements over sheer hardware specs. Google Pixel Fold battery life. The Pixel Fold is expected to have a larger battery than the Pixel 7 Pro, which already has impressive battery life. This will be necessary to power the foldable display and the powerful Tensor chip. While we don't have any official numbers yet, rumors suggest that the Pixel Fold could have a battery capacity of around 4,000 mAh, which is in line with the Galaxy Z Fold 4's battery. Google Pixel Fold software. As you might expect, the Pixel Fold will run on the latest version of Android, which should be Android 13 by the time the phone launches. We can also expect the Pixel Fold to come with some software tweaks to take advantage of the foldable display, such as split-screen multitasking and a foldable-friendly interface. Of course, one of the big advantages of owning a Pixel device is access to timely updates and the latest features from Google, so we can expect the Pixel Fold to be one of the most up-to-date Android phones on the market. In conclusion, while we don't know everything about the Google Pixel Fold yet, the rumors and leaks paint a promising picture of Google's first foldable phone. With a shorter, more pocketable design, powerful Tensor chip, and strong camera performance, the Pixel Fold could be a major player in the foldable phone market. We'll be keeping an eye on the Pixel Fold's official reveal at Google I/O on May 10, so stay tuned for more information. Thanks for watching this video.